Hello Linux gamers, welcome back to another video. It has been some time since I have uploaded any video on my channel as I have been busy with my family life. Today I have good news that we can run SimHub on Linux, and thanks to one of our contributors who have been working on a single script that will install SimHub, crew chief, and also run all the backend tools that is needed to get shared memory. So that is from one of our developers or contributor. He have been doing this in his free time. So this is his source, GitHub, and soon we will get it added to the wiki page as well. So using this link, you can look up at the documentation. So I'm just going to follow the commands from the documentation and see how it goes. So first I will go to my download and telemetry, or you can use any of the any of the directories. So I will just open terminal here. So my installation path will be home, downloads and telemetry. So let's see the documentation. What it is telling is that it is all in one installer and script to run SimHub, crew chief, and there is something called Winecart which runs the bridge between the Linux and the Windows environment of the game. So let's go dive into the installation steps. So here I will just copy this and paste it in my command line and run it. Could not resolve to GitHub. Okay, now it's fine. So now it have downloaded some files that's here. So I've jumped into this directory, and then this is the script to run. I copy the script and paste it here and run. So it is asking if I want to install in the same directory. I say enter. Then it is running prefix, so it is doing its job. Let's wait and see how it goes. Installing .NET. While it is doing the job, let's go through the documentation while I will keep it above others. So here it will always be on top so we can see what is happening. So what it is saying that once it is done, the installer will ask whether you want to install. Okay, the installer will download everything, and crew chief don't interfere with the process. Let's see setting up the game. So for SimHub and CrewChip to receive telemetry, each game needs to be launched via Winecart. This tells Winecart to expose the game shared memory to Wine so that the app can read it. Alright, what we have to do for that is right click on this and share, put this command in the launch command, put the path of the binary in the launch command. Okay, so what I have here is this one. This is my directory, so I'm going to copy it, and in my here I will paste it. Okay, and then it says dash bin slash wine cart dash run. Okay, so that is my command ready for the launcher while we wait for the script to finish installing all the dependencies and the applications required. While we go through it, let's see. Okay, once the installation is complete, SimHub and CrewChief will appear in your application menu and launch them as normal. Okay, that is good. Updating, we just run the same command again. Okay, that's it. So let's just wait for the game for .NET to install, and then okay. So it's completed now. It is asking SimHub installation not found. Do you want to install SimHub? Yes. Installing SimHub. So it seems to install or download SimHub. Okay. Then it is asking, should I install RooChief? Yes. Okay, that's done. Then Winecart, yes. So it is updating Winecart. Okay. So Winecart was successfully updated. So there is the documentation on what to do. So it has already given me this command. So let's just copy it and try to launch the game and see how it goes. Okay, before that, we also have the install. Let's see if SimHub will launch or not. So I have pasted this command and I will close it. Let's see if I have SimHub. Let's see SimHub. I have SimHub. Let's launch and see if it is there. It's launching. That is interesting. And then we have, okay, so it's the first time it is launching, so asking for details. Okay, auto detect. Okay, that's it. It's fine. Show all. Okay. Then change active game to maybe Assetto Corsa Competizione. Yep. Okay. Now let's look at crew chief. Okay, so I have something. Let's see. No sound pack found. I will try to download this also, and personalization as well. So it is downloading the packages. Next, what I will do is, as per instruction, I have added this. So now I can just launch the game. Okay, game is launching and I have crew chief here, which is downloading packages. While where is my SimHub? Okay, so I will jump into the race directly while I have to look for SimHub. Okay, so it is, yeah, not started yet. Let's drive.
Green light. Go, go, go.
Okay, it's not there. So what is happening here is that the SimHub is not getting data. Let's look at why. So what I'm going to do is I will close exit SimHub, and maybe try to start again. Still no data, so let me try to exit SimHub again. Okay, it is extracting, so we will wait while there was some other commands. Let's see. So if I run this command, which is the launcher of SimHub, let's see if I get. Okay, it is launching now. Okay, so this way I get data from the game. So there is something wrong in my setup which doesn't allow the background tools to launch at the same time. So that's it, and let's try this one. Still downloading. Okay, I will close this and start again. Okay, now I will launch. Okay.
Radio check.
Okay, so now my car is on, but my pedals are not directed. Let me check for the pedal axis and brake axis. So that should be fine. I can just increase this one and increase this one as well. Increase this one. Okay. So that's fine. Now let's go for a drive and see how it goes. Oh yeah, before that, let's
Exit's clear. Push. We need to get some heat into these brakes.
So SimHub is getting data, so I will record my session. Okay, and I don't need the display. I will start recording, and let's see if it is recording after a short drive.
This lap will be deleted.
Crew chief is working. 144, because last time I did it was 148. So now let's look at SimHub and see if it had recorded or not. So I will close this and I will pause, which is good. So it is detecting the game state and replay. So I have some data which is from today, which is good. Okay, so it also detected my car and the circuit, which is perfect. So SimHub is working this way. The only thing I had to do is launch SimHub from the command line using the command of the launcher itself. So I don't know why the icon is not able to do the same, while when I do it from the command line, it is launching it just fine. So for example, what I'm trying to do here is, if I do cat, this is the launcher itself, application wine programs simhub dot. So this is the launch command, and if I just run it manually, the same command it is here. So if I run the same command manually, it just launch and works fine. So I don't know why the icon is not working fine for me. So if I launch it from here, it doesn't work, or it works, but it does not detect the game data. But when I launch it from the command line, then it detects game data. So I will report it to the developer and see how it goes. So this way you can try it yourself and see if it works for you from the icon, and let me know in the comment below. That's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.